So good day, sir. This is my presentation about training facilities and monitoring tools for work-based learning. In beauty care nail enhancement technology, services, and safety. So in activity 1, list of tools, equipment, and materials. So this activity po identifies the essential tools, equipment, and materials needed for beauty care nail enhancement technology, services, and C3. So it is ensured po that trainers have access to standardized and complete resources in their workstation. So for example po, sa nakikita niyo po meron po doon na, nipper, nail cutter, buffer, dryers, clients chairs, disinfectants, and PPE, yung personal protective equipment. So, by preparing those materials po, student can practice in a safe, hygienic, and professional salon environment. So, in activity 2 po, trainer's record book. So, the TRB. So the TRB or the Trainer's Record Book serves as a logbook of accomplishment and competencies during the supervised industry training or SIT. So it records the learning outcomes, required tasks, date accomplished, and supervised remarks. So this ensures proper documentation of trainers' skills development, provide feedback from supervisors, and serve as evidence for a portfolio assessment and certification. So, in activity 3 naman, trainees progress sheet. So, this sheet tracks the progress of the trainee in mastering basic, the common, and core competencies. So, it is includes training activities, duration, dates, ratings, and both trainees and supervisors' initials. So, the progress sheet ensures monitoring and evaluation, allowing supervisors to measure performance, identifying strengths and weaknesses, and guide trainees toward competency. So that's all po. Thank you.